How to fix Windows error code 0x0. Method 1. Close conflicting programs. Hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, identify the programs that interfere with each other, causing error 0x0. Right-click the process and click End Task. See if the error comes back after closing a particular process. When you identify the program causing the error, uninstall it and reinstall it. Method 2. Run the deployment image and servicing management scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health and hit the Enter key. Then type in DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health and hit Enter. Restart your PC. Method 3. Run the system file checker scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in sfc/scan now and hit the Enter key. Restart your PC. Method 4. Perform disk cleanup. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in clean mgr and click OK. Click Clean up System Files. Mark the checkboxes of the locations you want to be cleaned. Click OK, and click Delete Files. Wait for the files to be deleted. Method 5. Enable the Windows Insider service. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, locate Windows Insider Service. Right-click Windows Insider Service and click Properties. Open the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Manual and click Apply. In the Service Status section, click Start. Click OK. Close the Services window. Method 6. Reset Windows 10 using the Recovery tool. Reinstalling Windows 10 using Windows Recovery may fix error 0x0. Note that, while you can choose to keep your personal files, the reinstallation process will remove all of your installed applications. Right-click the Start menu and click Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery located on the left side of the window. Click Get Started. Select Keep My Files. Select Local Reinstall. Click Next. Click Reset. Wait for the resetting process to complete. Once the reset process is complete, you might have to set the display resolution manually. To do that, right-click anywhere on the desktop and click Display Settings. Go to the Display Resolution drop-down menu and select your preferred resolution. Click Keep Changes. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel